Dear student, welcome back to the next lecture. In the last class, we have discussed the data required for composite system reliability. Today we are going to discuss radial network. The initial regarding the radial network we have already discussed. The distribution network are typically of two types, radial or interconnected. In the radial network, there is no normal connection. A radial network leaves the station and passes through the network area with no normal connection to any other supply. This is typical of a long rural lines with isolated node areas. While an interconnected network is generally found in the more urban areas and will have a multiple connection to other point of supply. These point of connection are normally open but allow various configuration by the operating utility by closing and operating switches. Operation of these switches may be remote control from a control center or by a line man. The benefit of the interconnected model is that in the event of fault or required maintenance, a small area of network can be isolated and the remainder kept on supply. Within these networks, there may be a mixed of overhead line construction utilizing traditionally utility poles and wires and increasing underground construction with cables and indoor or cabinet substation. However, underground distribution is significantly more expensive than overhead construction. In part to reduce the cost, underground lines are sometimes co-located with other utility lines in what are called community ducts. Distribution feeder emanating from a substation are generally controlled by a circuit breaker will open when a fault is detected. Automatic circuit breaker may be installed to further segregate the feeder, thus minimizing the impact of fault. This is basically regarding the radial network. The distribution network are mostly a radial types network. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क होते हैं वो मोस्टली किस तरह के होते हैं, रेडियल टाइप होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द नेटवर्क reconfiguration. Network reconfiguration of a radial distribution system is a significant way of altering the power flow through the line. नेटवर्क reconfiguration रेडियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम का क्या है, significant way of altering of power flow through lines. A precise and load flow algorithm is applied and the objective function is formulated to solve the problem which includes the power loss minimization. It could be even more interesting if the network were mesh type but the implementation, अगर इस तरह का नेटवर्क अगर mesh type का होगा but the implementation cost would increase more. The radial networks are nothing more than a minimum mixed waste substation generating tree which is reconfigured with keys manually or remotely controlled to achieve several possibilities of network reconfiguration, which may occur due to the fault in some point of network, preventive maintenance, and to solve problem for overloading of feeder or substation. नेटवर्क रिकॉन्फ़िगरेशन की कब आवश्यकता होती है, जब आपको कोई प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस करनी है, अगर कोई फॉल्ट अकर हो गया है या ओवरलोडिंग की प्रॉब्लम है तो वी हैव टू नेटवर्क रिकॉन्फ़िगर करना होगा. Distribution network with expansion of smart grid technology have deployed key with remote condition that allow reconfiguration of network remotely. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क जो स्मार्ट ग्रिड टेक्नोलॉजी है उसके थ्रू हम रिमोटली रिकॉन्फिगर कर सकते हैं. दीज की कैन प्रोवाइड network data for such as power flow, voltage and circuit impedance. The distribution network of electric power have configuration and load of the most varied. Each point of power of the network or substation of loading is connected in commercial, residential, industrial and rural loads. Each of type of load has its behavior as well as traffic profile. The radial configuration imposed to this type of network aim to quality through the observations of limit of tension and observation of continuity of the service. The problem is to find among the combination of possible configuration of network is configuration that is the best way for the whole system, where feeder, connector, transformers and substation network in the best configuration while maintaining the radial configuration, reducing energy losses consumer. It also protects the voltage level of the load point, maximizing current flow in the conductor and transformer. This is the basic main advantage of the network reconfiguration. Thank you.